Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character 注 step by step. I will first write it in regular scripts, then following one word and one sentence. Now, let's write 注 注 to live, to stay, to stop. For example, 记住 to remember. 记住 remember. To bear in mind. You have to remember your promise. 你要记住你的承诺。You have to remember. Your promise.你要记住 remember 你的承诺。You have to remember your promise. 你要记住你的承诺。You have to remember your promise. 你要记住你的承诺。注 in cursive. 注 to live, to stay, to stop. 记住 to remember.To bear in mind. You have to remember your promise. 你要记住你的承诺。注 Okay, please comment any words or sentence with the character 注. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video.Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.